Just scrape the skin off. And that's it. Voila. It's done. It's as easy as this. Welcome back to our channel. Say welcome back to our channel. Hi.
Hi.
Today we're gonna show you, or I'm gonna show you a trick on how to peel off the skin of kiwi. When me and my husband were still dating way before, he taught me a trick on how to do it because he learned it also from his office workers. So what we have are kiwi, and we have a knife, and we have I have lots of 3 teaspoons, different kinds of teaspoon, so that I will show you how to do it. Before, the usual thing we do when we cut our, how you call this, kiwi, is we cut off the end, and then we do like this, right? We do it like this. We cut off and then we scrape. Like ate, you like kiwi? Yeah. So that's how we do it. There's so many scrap and things, and there's so many work to do. My husband has taught me, he has a trick on his sleeves. So he said, all you have to do is cut the ends, both ends of the fruit. Both ends you have to cut. Like this. Cut both ends. Like that. You have to cut it. And then use any kind of small, any teaspoon, not the tablespoon spoon because it's big. So any. So we're gonna try. I have 3 of this and I have 3 kinds of teaspoon here. So this one first, all you have to do is insert how you call this? This part of the teaspoon. This part of the teaspoon, you insert it inside the space where you cut off the end. And make sure that it's near to the skin of the kiwi. And then you just push. You can feel it that it's there. You push and then you try to scrape it off from the inside. See, I'm scraping off from the inside. I'll show you the near. You're not making any mess. You're just scraping off from the inside. There you go. Scraping off, sorry, it's leaking. And then, voila, it's peeled. Now it is peeled. And I think you even saved the thinnest of the skin. See, it's so thin. Now I can give it to the girls. They love kiwi.
Yes.
Yeah, put. Okay. Then I'll give it to Ate Layla. Now we're gonna try another kind of teaspoon. This one. It's a little bit thicker compared to this one. See the difference? That. Okay, we're gonna try this one. So cut off. Again, we cut off the end. Like so. And then we insert the teaspoon into the skin. And you just scrape the skin off. And that's it. Well, it's done. And we're gonna try the ice cream spoon. If it also do the trick. You see? You like it? You like it, Layla? Yeah. On the thinnest part of the skin, like that. I'm gonna put it so near so that you can see. Like this. See how it scrapes off the end? And you hold it. You can feel it from your hand and in your hand that it's scraping off the skin away from the fruit, from the meat itself. There you go. There. That's how easy to skin a kiwi or to clean a kiwi. Look how thin the peel is compared when you use the knife. See, it's so thin. You can have more meat by doing this. So my kids love. You want more? You want more? my kids love kiwi so much. You love kiwi, right? Look at that! Huh? You gonna share it to
No
them?
more.
No more! Okay, sorry. It fell. So that's it, you guys. That's how you peel your kiwi. Layla, you wanna say goodbye? Say bye-bye!
Bye.
Thank you for watching! See you soon! Say bye-bye! See you soon!